Want to create Valentine's Day decor with your Cricut? What better way than to frame a lyric from a love song using Cricut Vinyl? Hi, my name is Kim with Kimagine DIY, where I hope to help you imagine the possibilities with DIYs and crafts. If that sounds like fun to you, consider subscribing. And now let's just jump into the materials that we'll need to create this framed art. This is my seasonal frame that holds a bunch of different art in it. We have Christmas, a sketch from a Disney artist, a quote from Dumbledore, and of course my spring quote. Behind the Christmas one was blank, so I'm going to use that as my base and paint it pink. In Cricut Design Space, to create the template, I measured the available space and sized the square into a rectangle. Then previously, I uploaded this free font from defont.com called Lovely Couple. Then I typed each word separately so I can have the freedom to move them around and resize them. Since I wanted it to be script, I used the letter space tool to connect the letters. Sometimes I had to edit finer details by ungrouping the word and moving each letter with the position tool on the X coordinates to get it exactly where I wanted. Then each individual word gets highlighted and then welded together so the Cricut does not cut out each letter individually. Then hide your back template, highlight all the words, and click Attach. Then go over to Make It, browse Materials, click Matte Vinyl, and load your project. When weeding your project, I like to use my rotary blade to cut strips to make the weeding process easier. Question of the day: what do you love to create for Valentine's Day? Let me know in the comments below. Next, just cut a piece of transfer tape or contact paper. After I pulled it up, I remembered I forgot that I wanted to make a line and mark the center on top of the contact paper and the cardboard, so I know I'm centering it within the frame. Once your design is aligned, you can use your brayer or your scraper to press the vinyl down so it can fully adhere. I love using a song lyric because when you read it, you can actually hear it being sung. How sweet it is to be loved by you. After putting everything back into the frame, this was the finished result. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate it. Please hit that subscribe button so you can see more DIYs and crafts, and I hope to see you in the next video. Then previously, I uploaded this free font from Then hide your back. Oh my, there's like something in my eye I can't even see.